Transform your bedroom into a sanctuary of style and elegance. Naomi Home presents the Catalina Queen Headboard. This headboard isn't just furniture. Its contemporary design brings a sleek, modern touch to your space, while the flowing top adds a touch of sophistication. The exquisite nailhead trim outlining the borders creates a stunning frame that's both subtle and striking. It's the perfect blend of timeless charm and modern elegance. No matter your decor, this headboard is designed to complement any bed in any bedroom. The Catalina Queen Headboard comes in various colors such as black, light gray, espresso, and many more. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.